Sir, 22 September.
24th.
Sir, 22.
22 September. Very good. Excellent. So, can you please tell me about yourself?
Sir, my name is Supendra Mohan, born and brought up in Ghaziabad. Sir, my basic schooling is basically from Ghaziabad district of Uttar Pradesh. After that, I pursued my Bachelor of Business Administration, that is BBA. Sir, after that, I went to do an MBA in Finance from GBU. After that, sir, I've done a job in let me see, Home Securities Limited around three years as a BDE.
BDE
So
means
my
what?
hobby,
BDE means?
Business Development Executive, sir.
Acha, acha, very good. Good. So 3 years you worked there.
Yes, sir.
You have done MBA in finance or marketing?
No, sir. Finance.
Finance. Good.
Yes.
Now, are you in touch with finance matters and all? Because you were engaging yourself only in marketing. Are you in touch with finance?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Acha. Can you please tell me what is a balance sheet?
So balance sheet is shows the picture of a financial statement of a company. Which on the left side, sir, it is liabilities. On the right side, it is assets. So on the asset side, there is fixed asset, investment, and current assets, sir. On the left hand side, so uh, owner's equity, and current liabilities.
What are current liabilities?
So current liabilities are those liabilities which have to be repaid within 1 year. For example, sir, a bill payable, outstanding dues, outstanding rent. These are the examples of outstanding liabilities, sir.
Good. What are the items that will appear under the asset side, current assets?
Sir, on the asset side, stocks, prepaid expenses, BR, bill receivable means. Yes, sir. These are the assets, sir.
Very good. What is your father?
So my father is a former CWMI in the Indian Railways.
Father is a railways. He is working in Indian Railways. As what?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
As what?
As as a inspection officer.
Oh, okay. Then how many siblings you have?
Sir, our in family there are 3 siblings. My brother is a sir IDBI assistant manager, and my sister is a government teacher, including me.
Yeah, good.
Yes.
Then you should say I have 2 siblings. One is one brother, one is one sister. Totally
Okay.
3 people and 2 siblings.
Yes, sir.
Very good. That's right. Now, they are asking very tough questions. Did you go through the questions I have been posting online?
Yes, sir.
What is deferred tax liability and deferred tax asset?
Sir, deferred tax assets are those are occur when the company pays the taxes more than the tax liabilities, are we called deferred tax assets, because the government returns uh, the tax liabilities which you have paid more than the tax liabilities occurred, so they return to their balance sheet, so it becomes a tax deferred asset, sir.
What
Or
is
deferred
deferred?
tax asset.
What is deferred tax liability?
Sir, it is the opposite of deferred tax asset. When the liabilities are paid less than the occurred, they have to be repaid in the future, sir. For example, sir, depreciation and installment of of asset size. Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is
Sir,
the reason for 2008 financial crisis?
So the reason was was that the loan was provided to the public for the home loans at the very cheap interest rate. So when the job crisis happened after the 2009, the people of the USA were not able to pay the home loans due to the job crisis, sir.
No,
So
it happened in
it be,
2000. It happened in 2008, not in 2009. Happened in
sorry, sir.
2008, and
Yes, sir.
when more properties were brought for sale, the price of
Yes,
the
sir.
properties came down heavily. Good, you told
Yes,
correctly. Please tell
yes,
me
sir.
what is current asset ratio,
The current asset ratio formula shows current asset ratio formula is current asset upon current liability, sir.
which is the
The
ideal
current
one,
as the ideal one is should be more than 1.25 or yes, sir.
and it differs from industry to industry.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is debt equity ratio, which is ideal ratio?
So, so debt equity shows the capital structure of the firm, sir. So debt means outsider funds. Uh, the formula is of debt equity ratio is debt upon equity. So the debt means outsider funds and equity is in the ownership funds, sir.
What is return on investment?
So return on investment. Sorry, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, what we get, we have invested over the investment. We call it return on investment.
How is return on investment calculated? Return on investment is an approximate measure of investment's profitability. Return of interest is calculated by subtracting the initial cost of investment from its final value and then dividing this number by the cost of the investment and finally multiplying by 100. That is, supposing we invest 10 lakh rupees, at the end of the 1 year, we are supposed to hold assets worth 11 lakhs. So the return is 1 lakh for this 1 year. So that means it is 10%.
Yes, sir.
Understand? You
Yes, sir.
please go through a example of that in investopedia.com.
Okay, sir.
I am giving the link of that in our WhatsApp page. I think I must have given earlier also, but let me give once again. PNB. But you are answering well. I think this is your second interview with me.
No, sir. First.
First only. But
Yes, sir.
you are answering very well. No problem. Now I was about to ask you some more questions. Is this the first credit officer interview you are attending, or you have attended in some other banks also?
This is my first bank interview, but before that, there are 5 PSU interviews I have given. This is my sixth interview, but the first banking interview, sir.
So you have attended for which PSUs?
The first one was lower PCS, state government services, which is in which the sir MBA is required, and second one was NPCIL, Nuclear Power Corporation, and third was BVFCL, which was Brahma Valley Fertilizer Company,
But
situated in Assam, sir.
Achha, you are basically living in which state?
I live in district Ghaziabad, state Uttar Pradesh, sir.
Very good, very good. Can you tell me something about G20 and its
Sir,
theme?
G20 is a formation of international countries, which includes a group of 20 countries. Recently, sir, African Union is a new member of G20. So the theme was Vasudev Kutum, something
Kumbham.
like that. But the translation was One Earth. Uh, one earth, one future, one family. Sorry, one family, one future. Yes. Yes, sir. Sir, the India has hosted this time, and next time the Brazil will host the G20 summit.
But you should also know something more about G20. You please go through Wikipedia or other papers, get to know what are all the countries in G20, what is the percentage of total world population in this, what
Yes,
is the
sir, I know that.
Tell me.
Sir, the G20 was formed in 1991, and sir, around 75 population of the countries, G20 countries, 75% of the population represent G20. Around 85% of GDP, sir, in G20 countries represents, sir.
Excellent. Good. You told nicely. Very good. Very good. What is what is Reserve Bank of India? What are its functions?
The RBI is the central authority of the banks, which supervises the functionings of the commercial banks. It performs it basically the sir it supervises the all the banks with like like if we have to if they have to maintain the CRR, SLR.
आप हिंदी में बोलिए, रिजर्व बैंक ने फंक्शंस क्या है बता दीजिए.
Sorry sir, I can't recall it now. I read it but I forgot.
अपने बैंकिंग को पढ़ा है नहीं पढ़ा है, क्योंकि कभी कभी बैंकिंग का क्वेश्चन भी पूछ रहे हैं.
Yes sir.
रिजर्व बैंक का फंक्शंस आपने पढ़ना है. बैंकर्स टू बैंक, बैंकर्स टू गवर्नमेंट, note issuing authority, foreign exchange control, and monetary policy authority.
Yes sir.
And who is the governor of RBI?
Mr. Saktikant Das, sir.
How many deputy governors are there? 4. You don't know the name. You don't know the names of 4 people. One is Swaminathan Janaki Raman. Another is MD Patro. Next, Rajeshwar Rao. Then Rabi Shankar. Then the new executive director name is Mr. P. Vasudevan.
Okay, sir.
ये सब याद रखना जरूरी है. Who is the chief election commissioner? हेलो, क्या हुआ?
Sorry sir. Sorry sir.
Who is the chief justice?
DY Chandrachud, sir.
Good. Tell me about Punjab National Bank.
So Punjab National Bank is the second largest bank of our India. Sir, it has around 10,000.
Second largest public sector bank.
Yes, sir.
Because second largest, which one I don't know. After HDFC, maybe ICICI is the second largest. I'm not sure about it. But if you say Punjab National Bank is the second largest public sector bank, that is a correct answer. Continue.
So it has around 10,000 around 10,080 branches, and so and the ATM domestically is at around 25,000, and the sir, MD and CEO of the PNB Bank is AK Goel, and sir Executive Director Vasudevan M. And the current such as the domestic deposit around 12 lakh 67,000, and so global deposit is around 12 lakh 69,000 around, and the CASA ratio is 41% around.
No, आपने mistake कर दिया. See, total deposits 12,67,000 crore. आपने crore बोलना छोड़ दिया. आपने crore बोलना छोड़ दिया. Similarly, loans some 9 lakh something. इसको clearly बताना है. देन टोटल बिजनेस पोजीशन अपने एक बार और एक टिक से पढ़ो जी उसको। हम ते वेबसाइट में भी है, हम तो आपको मटेरियल्स का अंदर में भी दिया है, उसको
Yes,
पूरा
sir.
पढ़ के मन में रख लीजिए। आपने एमबीए स्टूडेंट आपसे ज्यादा एक्सपेक्ट करेंगे। दे विल इवन आस्क यू, डिड यू गो थ्रू द बैलेंस शीट ऑफ आवर बैंक? व्हाट आर योर कमेंट्स ऑन दैट? What do you think we should improve on? What is the CRAR of Punjab National Bank?
So CRAR is around 15%, sir.
Then what is the GNPA and NNPA?
So sir, definition.
No, gross non-performing asset.
So you want definition or
No,
or a
balance.
fee?
Balance.
Sorry, sir,
Balance.
I don't.
ये सब पढ़ना है, पूरा पढ़ना है, मन में रखना है, डेफिनेशन भी मन में रखना है, मन में रख के जाना है। ओके।
Yes, sir.
What is the net profit?
Net profit is around, sir, 12,000 crore.
1,200, no?
Yes, sir.
1,200 crores, something, not
Ah,
12,000.
but अच्छा.
I think it is 1,200 only, not 12,000. Check up kar lijiye, no problem.
Yes. Sir, I
Very,
forgot this.
very good. Otherwise, you are answering very well, but थोड़ा थोड़ा भूल जाते हैं, ऐसा क्यों भूल रहे हैं? और आर यू वर्किंग नाउ? अभी तो काम नहीं करते हैं ना?
No, sir, no, sir.
तब तो अच्छा रिविजन दे दीजिए, रेशियो एनालिसिस और सब कुछ को और एक बार अच्छा रिविजन करो जी। पंजाब नेशनल बैंक का फिगर भी अच्छा से पढ़ो जी। आपको 90% जॉब मिल जाएगा, प्रोवाइडेड यू गो विथ कॉन्फिडेंस। समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
I will give you good marks now. I will give you some 8.75 to 9 marks. If you have scored good marks in the written test, आपको selection हो जाएगा।
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
बेस्ट विशेस, यू आर डूइंग वेल। आपने ये सब क्वेश्चंस को, पूरा क्वेश्चंस को प्रिपेयर करना है।
Yes, sir.
देखिए स्क्रीन में, देखिए, दिस इज व्हाट आई हैव गिवन यू। दिस इज व्हाट आई हैव गिवन यू। अबाउट 32 पेजेस क्वेश्चंस है, ये सबसे पढ़ना है, बहुत कुछ है, ये सब पढ़ना है। ओके, आर यू सीइंग
Yes,
ऑन
sir.
द आर यू सीइंग ऑन द स्क्रीन?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
पूरा पढ़ लीजिए। बेस्ट विशेस, गॉड ब्लेस यू, आई विश यू सक्सेस।
Thank you, sir.
God bless you, because you really need one, because your father is a farmer and your family needs it. I wish you success. God bless you.
Thank you.